With the Outdooractive Route Planner, you can create the perfect route for your next outdoor adventure with just a few clicks. This is how it works. From the home page, you can go directly to the planning of your route via Routes and a click on Route Planner. Now you can choose between more than 30 outdoor activities. The activity also influences the routing via the trail network. That is why you should always choose the appropriate activity first. Into the input field, you can enter a location or an address for the starting point of your route. You can either create waypoints as described before, or you can set them directly into the map. Just click on the desired place. With Pro and Pro Plus, you can display, for example, hiking or cycling trails on the map. Click on the Map Layer panel in the lower right corner and then on the desired activity. The trail network will then appear on the map, marked in color, and thus enable even better route planning. Under Maps and Trails, you can also activate different maps and styles. The selection of available maps depends on your subscription, Basic, Pro, or Pro Plus. The free routing allows route planning without a trail network. If you place waypoints on the map, they will be connected by a beeline. That's why you should set the waypoints as accurate as possible. You can open additional editing features by right-clicking on a waypoint. For example, undo a planning step, reverse the direction of the route, or delete the currently selected point. You can switch between the two options, free routing and trail network, at any time. Once you have finished planning your route, click on Continue. The route is now saved and you can continue with the route description. Every change can be saved by clicking on Save. Would you like to share your route with the Outdooractive community? Then you can publish the route with one click. You can find all routes created in the Route Planner under My Page, My Routes.